everyone, welcome to In Crochet, a space for all things crochet. Here we'll be sharing tutorials to kickstart a journey and tips on how to run a crochet business, that too profitably. So if you're here for that, subscribe and welcome to my channel. So today's agenda is to share my experience of hosting a workshop, a crochet workshop, which is for beginners. So if you're a person who wants to conduct a workshop, or if you're a person who wants to attend my workshop, you will have an experience of what literally happens behind the scenes and how do we go about. So let's get started. So first we'll start with prepping the kits. So for that I have my materials here. This is the big bag of materials I have, and we need to get them sorted into kits. And I also have these workshop material which I provide to all my beginners so that they understand all the basics, the lingo of crochet and everything else. Let's start packing. So about my workshops, I conduct beginner workshops, which is around 10 people per batch, because I want to be able to teach everybody and have a nice experience. So we're finally done with packing the kits. So see you tomorrow when we go to the workshop. So I started prepping the kits and arranging them for the workshop to begin. It felt like prepping little gifts for everyone. And then people started arriving, a little confused, a little excited, and trying to figure out everything. And then we started with the basics like holding the hook, wrapping the yarn around your finger, and the hand positioning, which is a very important step as a beginner. And then we started with the pattern reading and information about yarns and hooks and explaining it all. And they were also trying to figure it out. And then we started with the basic stitches. It was a little frustrating at the beginning, but they were actually very quick to learn, and it was very interesting to see that. And then I was going around explaining wherever they were going wrong or wherever they were stuck, because honestly you can just learn the steps, but when you're stuck or when something isn't working, that's where I come in. And then comes the magic ring and of course chaos. Everyone got out of their seats like, wait, can you show me that again? And it turned into so many times. But honestly, magic ring is something which is very confusing for beginners, and I understand that. But we all laughed it through, telling that once the struggle is over, this will be actually a calming experience and this will be interesting to learn further. And then they started trying out the pattern, the heart, crochet charm, helping out each other, and then we wrapped the session with a cute little picture. So here we come to an end to this vlog, or this whole experience I've shared with you about my workshop, and I will be making such videos. If you like it, please give it a like and comment what you like the most. And if you have come till here, drop this emoji and please support my channel. I am looking forward to a lot of crochet content here, and I would love for you to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.